87504-267MC. Just installed tonight in my garage. Thought I'd give this guy a shot, being that it's been out for a year after I had the original one that I wasn't real fond of. But with anything, I should have learned you got to leave things and let them kind of work out said kinks in any new product. Just like a new vehicle, not that this is new, but you know, you never buy the first year of a new car. That's what I've always been told. Same for stuff like this. Allow it to be experimental the first year, work out the kinks. But here it is, in all of its glory. Bright LEDs and all. That was me, I should shut it off so you could see the back. It'll go back on because of the motion. But we'll run it. Door's nothing special. Doesn't run real smooth, but it's all I got. I can't change it, I'm not allowed to. This is a townhouse. The opener is pretty smart, pretty quiet though. It is pretty smart too, but it is pretty smooth. So let's run it. Sorry about the poor lighting. This phone is not great with the LEDs. And that's my video. So enjoy it.